A real entrepreneur is the one who leads his business to get the things done the way it's never been done, breaking barriers, and being confident to go boldly where no individual has gone before. One of the entrepreneurs, Manny Garcia, has shared a statement that, "You must overcome hostile situations and most unforgiving circumstances to lead a successful life." He comes from a financially challenged background. But his determination to build a better life for his family has motivated him to adopt and exploit an entrepreneurial mindset to secure financial freedom and live life on his terms. Another entrepreneur, Melina Taj, has established herself as one of the most followed beauty influencers by adopting an entrepreneurial mindset. Here are the 5 entrepreneurs' success tips and compelling insights to motivate entrepreneurs to explore in their entrepreneurial journeys, and Garcia and Taj give these tips in a recent conversation. 1. Entrepreneurship, a way of life, not just a job. Garcia states that, forget about business if you are passionate about being in a business. Just believe in your dreams and vision regardless of whatever you choose to market and sell. Question yourself how to improve the things, how to get more exposure, what more to do for being more successful. Be prepared yourself to spend every waking hour focusing on your business. But, if you are not passionate about your business, it will be boring and stale. Brainstorm your mind like it's a way of life, not just as a job. So that others will soon pick up on and will be attracted to a dynamic vitality level. Taj states that, in this pandemic situation and uncertain marketplace where jobs are being lost, and businesses are going down, starting out your own business will be a courageous move. Remember, as an entrepreneur, your destiny will be in your hands and not in others. So, take that energy, be courageous, use that energy and start building. Let your business shine from everything that you do. It makes others motivated, develop momentum, and that makes you stand at the place you have dreamed. 2. Be prepared to take risks. Garcia thinks that, our fortune and winning big in business depends on how brave we are, and we have to take a big risk for that. It doesn't mean that think foolishly, think wisely, and well-calculated risks open the paths to huge rewards. Risks can be calculated, but you may achieve success at the end of the day if you are holding your nerve and keeping your head at the time of risks. Find positive things from negative situations and exploit the opportunities others are afraid to achieve. Taj says that, if you never try risks, you will never know rings as true in business as it does elsewhere. Progress and success always comes with risks. It's how sporting games are won, and businesses achieve their goals. Now, throw the dice and find out yourself. 3. Innovate and create. Time never waits for you, and as an entrepreneur, you should always think beyond the things. Brainstorm with motivating sessions and always think differently to find a different solution for a problem. Make sure to sit back, change the direction and go ahead if something goes wrong. If you are afraid to leave old and try the new, it's how you face problems. Shares Garcia. Every experience you have to offer learning curve if you find out the way. If life gives you a bad experience, then don't stop playing and play until you get a chance to turn things around. You can overcome all the hurdles with the help of tools you have if you innovate and create. Elaborates Taj. 4. Help your employees develop an ability to work in your absence. Keep in mind that as an entrepreneur, you are the one who is responsible and chief representative of your business or a brand. Be like a motivator for others and be an example for your living personalization of values that you believe in. People think to be authentic, so be real and get the things done in professional way, Garcia shares. You need people who are trustworthy and hardworking for your organization as an entrepreneur. Your people should be capable of doing things even in your absence and should have the necessary confidence and expertise to handle the problems individually. Don't tolerate laziness or any incompetence. So be firm but fair so that you can inspire others to reach new heights. Taj states. 5. Your dreams should be infinite. If you reach certain milestones in achieving your specific goals, then you think that is ready to take off your foot on the accelerator and rest on your success. It's a big mistake, states Taj. Your success plays a pivotal role and generates further success. Also, your dreams should be infinite. The joy of being an entrepreneur will be on getting the things done and still something remains which needed to be done. Shares Garcia. Conclusion. The main principle you have to concentrate here is focus. Mostly it is relevant when applied to the internet. Focus is the primary quality you require to answer the question, what's going on to take the business on the internet? Numerous elements, tactics, and the development of an effective strategy for your small business are essential. Besides all, the focus is the central aspect you need to have than any combination of any elements or tactics. These are the entrepreneur's success tips given by successful entrepreneurs. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.